I'm going to show you how to change your recirculation vent actuator on your Jeep Compass. There's these two plastic clips that hook in right here on this felt pad material, and you pull forward on that and it comes right out, and then you can access the underside of the dash that way. You will also want to remove the glove box itself. There are two rubber stopper tabs. Whenever you open the glove box, if you push inward on those right here, then you can drop it down and then undo the hinges. Also be a cable to your white plunger piece. Remove that as well, but mine's not hooked up because it's broke. As you can see right here where I'm zoomed in at, that is the electrical plug that you want to disconnect from the actuator. Starting with the bottom screw closest to the portion where you can plug the electrical connector into, I've gone under the dash and I'm reaching from the bottom up. As for the bolt on the top, I'm going through the glove box hole now, not completely from under the dash, and you can fit the stubby screwdriver there, but I used the long reach ratchet just because I have the tool and it's much easier. Now we're gonna remove the actuator itself, just like that. Here's the old one. I've got the new actuator up in place and we're going to put the top bolt in. You may have issues lining the new actuator up in place just because of the splines not lining up. To remedy that, you twist the actuator in place, line the splines up, and then move the actuator to where it lines up with the bolt holes. Just seen in the last clip, we plugged the actuator in, everything's bolted up. Now I'm doing the actuator calibration test on my bidirectional scan tool. This helps the computer identify that there is a new actuator there, and it calibrates the new stop points for the new motor. Now that I got it programmed, we're going to turn the switch, and as you can see, the recirc door does work again, and it doesn't make no tapping annoying noises. So that is a job done. If you have any questions, comment down below. Maybe I can help you out. Thanks for watching.